Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to use an MS EQ. Let's hear what we have. For this exercise, we're gonna use BX version 3 by UAD. There is version done by Plugin Alliance. You can use that as well if you prefer. I've set that up to auto listen. I'm gonna boost my lower mids by 3 dB. I'm gonna set that to 100 Hz, maybe reduce that to 1.5, and let's solo the mono part. We'll do a low shelf and boost just 1 dB. We'll push our highs. I would like to remove a little bit from the bass, and we're ready to listen to it. Before. After. Try it and let me know what you think.